Hello, today I'll show you how to become an adventurer in Crusader Kings III. To become an adventurer, you need to have, as a landed character, you need to have access to this decision, become an adventurer. As you can see, there are many different conditions and to become an adventurer, basically. Being an adult, not being imprisoned, must not be a househead of a noble family, not being a landless ruler, not being a head of faith, must be count or duke, so kings and emperors cannot do this. My domain can be no larger than 3 counties, and either insularism or your given faith has a specific doctrine, or you have a specific culture perk. And now, as you can see, you will leave all your landed titles and vassal to your heir. You'll gain some prestige, you gain a voluntary adventurer, and you gain some stress if your perks make you do that, basically. So, once you become an adventurer, as you can see, you will get access to your camp, which you can upgrade, and some buildings that you can build. You'll gain access to many adventuring decisions, and you will be also able to pick up jobs for other rulers. As you can see here, you will get access to provisions, as in a new resource that is spent by traveling, and you'll gain gold, opinion, and other valuables for improving the ruler relations for this man right here. You are basically able to take a completely different approach to the Crusader Kings game than ever before. And well, that's about it. Go and adventure. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.